back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So I got a big box outside of my door, and this is the box. So basically, I got me a Cricut machine, because business owner, like, why do I not have a Cricut machine? I needed one, and I love the Cricut. So yeah, I decided to buy one. So I went to Dollar Tree and I got all this vinyl. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this vinyl, but I just got it because I need to practice and I need to learn how to use this machine. So yeah, I got all my tools from Dollar Tree, and I just bought the Cricut off of Walmart. It was like $200, I believe, and it was a tax-free weekend, so I didn't get taxed on it. So I just paid the $200. So yeah, this is basically the box, and I'm opening it right now so you guys can see. It came very well packaged, I would say that. I didn't get any scratches or nothing on it. So yeah. I'm going to be removing all the little stickers, so enjoy the ASMR. Alright, so I opened my tablet. Don't judge my tablet. It is the screen protector, y'all, that is broken. But I want to get an upgrade soon. But that's another video. So yeah, I downloaded it on my tablet. I downloaded Cricut Design Space. And this is me opening the Cricut, and I was excited. So I did a whole bunch of hand movements. I don't know why. But yeah, as it was downloading, I was just like opening it and like starting to set it up. So I connected it to my Bluetooth, and then I followed all the instruction on the Cricut Design Space app. It was very easy. It was very self-explanatory. They even had like little pictures and everything. So yeah, the software is very easy to use. I really enjoy that. You do gotta like figure out how to work some things, because if you don't want to pay for some of the stuff on the website. But that's about it. Other than that, it's a very great thing to have. It's a very great purchase. So basically, the app makes you like do a test run just to make sure that your Cricut is working. So this is my light grip mat, and then earlier in the video I had a green one, which was a standard grip that I previously purchased. So yeah, it's just showing me, like I told you guys, like pictures and everything. So it was very easy. I think I picked like the flowers for the Cricut to cut. So this is what I'm doing right now. It's showing me that I have to load it and do all of that stuff to it. So yeah. I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club.
No, you're not, no, you're not. Don't move out of my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm decided. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm decided.
Now that the flower is cut, I'm unwrapping my weeding tool. I think they're called weeding tools. I don't know. But I'm just like unpackaging them just so I can weed out I'm looking at using professional words here. So I can weed out the little flower and all the little parts in there. So this is what I'm doing right now. So after I put them in the box, I seen this TikTok hack that was like, get one of those nail polish holders from Dollar Tree so you can like put all the little parts in there. So this is what I'm doing right now. Like, I was prepared. I watched videos. I took classes, you know. I took classes on YouTube University. So yeah, this is basically what I'm doing. I'm weeding them out and removing the little inside parts so I can remove the flower itself. Alright, you guys, this is it. I'm going to be exploring my Cricut now. So I will see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Bye, y'all.